All right, we're gonna do seated face pulls. I'm gonna show you how you kind of want to wrap it around your feet here. So we're going to take the band and we are going to bring it around our feet like so. So now they can't go anywhere. I will show you. And we are going to bring the bands to our face, but with our elbows out. I'll show you from the front as well. There you go.